welcome to our series, Ask a Heidolph Rep, where we answer your questions about our equipment. My name is Allison Shellhammer, and the question of the week is, why is there a recommended 20 Celsius difference between the water bath, the vapor temperature, and the condenser? So for those of you who are not familiar, this is referring to the Delta 20 rule, where we recommend a 20-degree difference between your water bath temperature, your vapor temperature, and your condenser. That gives an overall difference of about 40 degrees Celsius between the condenser and the water bath. This really comes down to the basics of thermodynamics, and in the most simple terms, the energy that you're putting in through the water bath really needs to be removed through the condenser. Having this Delta 20 rule will ensure that you have a perfectly balanced system, and that when your solvent is evaporating, the condenser will be cold enough to condense the solvent, and it will not end up in your pump or the environment in your laboratory. So that's the question of the week. Thank you so much for tuning in to Ask a Heidolph Rep. We'd love to hear from you and answer your question in a future video. Please submit them to hello@heidolph.com or find us on social media at LinkedIn and Twitter at HeidolphNA. Thanks again, and we'll see you again soon.